Pick the correct spelling. The correct answer is accommodation. Which is the correct article for blank elephant? The correct answer is in. He is good blank swimming. The correct answer is at. Identify the conjunction in this sentence. She studied hard because she wanted to pass. The correct answer is because. He has blank his homework. The correct answer is done. The plural of child is blank. The correct answer is children. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is, she doesn't like ice cream. They blanked to the market yesterday. The correct answer is went. Identify the adjective. The tall boy won the race. The correct answer is tall. Pick the correct sentence. The correct answer is, it's been raining since morning. Select the correct option. He was punished blank his mistakes. The correct answer is 4. Choose the correct form of the verb. She blank already finished her work. The correct answer is has. What is the synonym of happy? The correct answer is joyful. Which of these is an interrogative sentence? Select the correct sentence. The correct answer is, I am going to the park. Which of these is a correct sentence? The correct answer is, the train leaves at 9 a.m. He waited blank she arrived. The correct answer is until. We blank the project by tomorrow. The correct answer is will complete. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is I didn't eat lunch. What is the antonym of weak? The correct answer is strong. Identify the adverb, she sings beautifully. The movie was blank interesting than I expected. The correct answer is more. He is blank honest person. The correct answer is in. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is they have gone to the mall. Pick the correct sentence. He has a new car. The correct answer is he has a new car. The teacher blanked the students for their good behavior. The correct answer is praised. Identify the error, she don't know the answer. The correct answer is don't. Which of these is an exclamatory sentence? The correct answer is wow, what a beautiful view. Pick the correct sentence. The correct answer is he doesn't like coffee. I was born blank 2002. The correct answer is in. Which of these is a proper noun? The correct answer is India. Identify the verb in this sentence. She writes every day. The correct answer is writes. Select the correct form of the verb. He blank a new phone last week. The correct answer is bought. What is the synonym of brave? The correct answer is bold. Fill in the blank. The book is blank the table. The correct answer is on. Choose the correct sentence. Pick the correct sentence. The correct answer is, she has a brother. What is the antonym of beautiful? The correct answer is ugly. Choose the correct article. Blank sun rises in the east. The correct answer is the. I enjoy blank with my friends. The correct answer is talking. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel mcqs Quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.